Good morning, my name is Dr. Sharma, and today I wanted to share how modern hair transplant techniques have revolutionized the way that we restore natural looking hair. If any of you remember the hair transplants from the past, the ones that looked like doll's hair, which looked like plucked grass person, or cornrows, that's because older techniques used a large number of hair grafts in a very unnatural appearance. Today things have changed. At our center, we specialize in ultra-refined hair transplantation. But what does ultra-refined actually mean? So let's break this down. Firstly, we use high-powered magnification to harvest incredibly fine hair grafts. While older methods used grafts containing 4 to 5 hairs, our ultra-refined approach allows us to work with single hair grafts as thin as human hair itself. These specialized tools are crucial to achieving natural results. We use the smallest possible punch size for extraction, precisely control rotational speeds to minimize trauma, and ultra-fine incision tools for placement. Now this is where the artistry really meets technology. A natural hairline isn't straight. It's slightly irregular with subtle variations. Our ultra-refined technique allows us to create these natural imperfections intentionally for very aesthetically pleasing results. By following Mother Nature's blueprint allows us to create these natural imperfections intentionally. We follow nature's blueprint by A, placing single hair grafts at the front of the hairline for a soft and feathered look, B, gradually increasing density with larger grafts behind, C, creating subtle irregularities that mimic natural hair growth patterns. Because we use these ultra-refined tools and techniques, our patients have been seen to experience minimal trauma to the scalp, faster healing times, and less visible scarring. The results speak for themselves, in my humble opinion. Please look at these natural looking hairlines. No straight lines, no pluggy appearances, just natural seamless results that even stylists cannot detect. This is my work. Ultra-refined hair transplantation isn't just a procedure, it's an art form that requires precision, years of experience, and attention to detail. At my clinic, I'm committed to delivering results that don't just restore your hair, but restore your confidence.